Have you heard of Bitcoin, and do you know what a cryptocurrency is? If your answer to either of these questions is no, don't worry. This short presentation is for you. For far too long, the world of cryptocurrency investing has been dominated by the tech-savvy, who have made a fortune from getting in early on this new asset class. For complete beginners, venturing out into the world of cryptocurrency investing can be a scary prospect. The mere thought of battling through technical jargon and complicated exchanges has turned many individuals away from what could be investment opportunities of a lifetime. As the popular saying goes, knowledge is power. We believe that knowledge should be accessible for everybody. That's why we created Crypto-Cinch, a beginner-friendly community for anybody who's interested in learning how they can make money from cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have been around since 2009, and Bitcoin was the first one to be created. It was designed to be a digital form of money that everyday people could use to send and receive payments online. Since its creation, Bitcoin's value has skyrocketed. If you had invested $500 in Bitcoin 10 years ago, your investment would be worth more than $2 million today. That's an amazing 470,000% return on investment. Bitcoin's design has since inspired the creation of thousands of other cryptocurrencies to date. Many of these provide their early investors with the opportunity to make life-changing amounts of money. If you would like to take advantage of these once-in-a-lifetime opportunities but don't know where to start, we can help you. Our cryptocurrency course has been designed with complete beginners in mind. We start you with the basics of what cryptocurrencies are, how they work, and what creates their value. Each module will build up your knowledge base so you can understand the cryptocurrency markets and have the confidence to safely make your first cryptocurrency investments. Lastly, we offer you the exciting chance to earn whilst you learn with the option to partner with us through our affiliate program. It lets our students earn a generous 20% commission for each new learner they refer to our course. If you're ready to begin your cryptocurrency investment journey, join us today and learn about cryptocurrencies in the Crypto-Cinch way.